Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Desperate measures are taken during desperate times. The same thing happens when every defense deal which hangs in air for pretty long time, and then when our enemy knocks the door, we go ahead with emergency procurement. Same was observed with the purchase of 1.5 lakhs 6 over 716 and now with 70,000 AK-203. This is really a big question before our defense policy maker. Do we need to be desperate? Can we not be better planned and be futuristic in our approaches and have a contingency plan? Talking about the assault rifles, which are the backbone of an infantry, the biggest question mark before India is why can't we develop a good assault rifle even after 75 years of independence and still have to import or ask for transfer of technology from the foreign countries. The only reason I could think is the monopoly of Ordnance Factory Board and sidelining of private players, and not to mention the foreign lobbying. However, times have changed and so is the geopolitical situation. India has realized lately that in order to become a superpower, it has to become the exporter from the importer of weapons. The speedy and quality delivery cannot be achieved only with the public sector PSUs. The startups and the private companies need to be encouraged by government to bring forward the technological revolution in defense sector. If we talk about the assault rifle and indigenous private company, the one prominent name that comes before us is Triple S Defense. It is a Bangalore-based firm founded in 2017. They are amongst the rare league of companies in India to have an industrial license for operating the realm of small arms and ammunition. They have some excellent indigenous offering which could supplement AK series rifles which are heavily operated by Indian Army. We will be discussing about P72 Wrecker and its advanced variant which is under development and also known as 7.62 by 39 Triple S defense weapon. Talking about P72 Wrecker, that is Rapid Engagement Combat Rifle. It is a gas piston, short stroke rotating bolt assault rifle. The rifle chambers 7.62 by 39 mm AK series round as well as 7.62 by 51 mm round used in 6 over 716. It has a 16-inch super light counter barrel. The gun features side folding retractable stock. The rail at the top of cover allows any type of optics to be fitted. The rail handguards are mounted at 3, 6, 19 and 12 o'clock position. Triple S Defense is also working on the advanced version of this rifle called 7.62 by 39 Triple S Defense weapon. The weapon is a modification of company's existing P72 Rapid Engagement Combat Rifle Wrecker. Will be replacing the short stroke piston of predecessor model with a long stroke piston. This newer variant is even considered better than AK-203. 7.62 by 39 Triple S defense weapon will feature full-length rail which is not there in AK-203. It will have a mild receiver rather than AK-203's stamped receiver. The assault rifle will be able to accommodate every type of optics, day or night, or any type of sight. The butt stock is both telescopic as well as foldable. As we all know that the AK-203 is a proven reliable platform as it has been developed since decades. However, Triple S Defense was established recently in 2017, which means when India and Russia first signed the AK-203 agreement in 2016, the Triple S Defense doesn't even exist. However, the new 7.62 by 39 Triple S defense weapon features a long stroke piston which makes the assault rifle even reliable. Interestingly, Triple S Defense is all set to unveil an offer for test an assault rifle that its claim is an answer and improvement over the legendary Russian Kalashnikov AK-47 and its derivatives like AK-203. It's time for our defense policy maker to encourage the private players in defense sector, while the rifle must be tested on all the parameters. Army should spend dusk to dawn testing the rifle. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.